Hey guys, this is Mrs. Long. Here we have a problem. It says Miss Solinsky was considering changing careers to go into selling insurance policies. Her brother is already in the business. The company pays a salary of $31,000 annually and 17.5% renewal commission each year. In other words, every time somebody's policy is up and they renew it, he gets 17.5% of the amount of the policy. Last month, his brother had renewal customers paying $11,378. What was his monthly pay? Well, we know that monthly pay, we find that by saying the salary plus commissions equals monthly gross pay. All right, but what we need is his monthly salary. Monthly. Because we want to know what he made last month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take $31,000 and I'm going to divide it by 12. Why 12? Because there's 12 months in a year. So if I want to know how much he made each month, I'm going to divide it by the number of months. So I'm going to say 31,000 divided by 12 months. Excuse me. And I find that his monthly salary is $2,583.33. Now, we don't know commissions either, so let's find that next. All right, it says his commissions, there was $11,378 in business, so he's going to multiply that times the decimal value. Now, the percent is given. I want the decimal value, so I'm going to move that decimal 2 places to the left. So I'm going to say 11,378 times 0.175. All right, so 11,378 times 0.175 will tell me how much he made in commissions, and he did pretty darn good. He made $1,991.15 in commissions alone. So now for the month, what I can do is add those two together, the monthly salary plus his monthly commissions, to get his monthly gross pay. So I still have that number in my calculator, so I'm going to put in $2,583.33 to add those together to find that his monthly gross pay was $4,574.48. Not bad. All right, I hope that helps.